next trade we're going to talk about is called a double top or a double bottom. So let's talk about theory first, double top and double bottom. In this example, we're looking at a double bottom trade. When we see a double bottom trade, the first rule is we're going to buy or get long when we see a double bottom trade. If this stock was making a double top, we would want to get short. So a double bottom, we buy, a double top, we short. Here's the theory behind a double bottom trade. A stock opens and makes a low sale of the day. In this case, we are looking at Tesla. And at 10 o'clock in the morning, right here, this stock makes a low of $305. Okay, beautiful. Now we have that low to shoot against when we're looking to trade a double bottom. Number one rule for a double bottom. We want at least 30 minutes or 6 candlesticks before this stock comes back and tests that double bottom again. That is the number one rule. So we want 30 minutes in between the first bottom and the second bottom. Number two rule, we want this stock to go up, or any stock, to go up at least $1 from the first low and then pull back and test the double bottom. So let's talk about the actual numbers here. Tesla makes a low of $305. We have about 40 minutes in between. Now it comes back and exactly tests that low of $305. The way we're going to execute this order is with a limit order. And as Tesla is starting to come back down, you're going to hear me say, well, you might not hear me say, but you're going to say to yourself, Tesla made a low of $305. It's coming back to that level. I am going to put a limit order out to buy Tesla at the exact price of the first low. The stock comes down, tests 305 again. Remember, a double bottom we want to buy. We are now long. We'll say 100 shares at $305. Now, Tesla's a $305 stock. You might need to give it a little more room on your stop order, but I'm certainly not risking more than $1 no matter what the price of the stock. So let's say we're going to risk $1 on Tesla because it's $305. First thing we do, stop order at 304. That's the most we're willing to risk. Second thing we do, we put out our profit target. Now, in a stock like Tesla, I'm probably going to look to make $2 on this trade. We're long the stock at 305. We're going to put an order out to sell the stock at 307. Right here, limit order. Long at 305, limit order to sell at 307. It took about 10 minutes, 2 candlesticks, and we captured $2 in profit in the stock. The great thing about a double top or a double bottom is either they're going to work or they're not, and we're going to know very quickly. 90% of the time when a stock comes down and tests its double bottom or double top on the way up, within a few seconds or a minute, we're going to know whether it's going to hold that level or not. This trade happened to take about 6 minutes to take our $2 profit in.